Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get trainer. This is for beginner in Gym Star Simulator. So here we go. All you have to do now, you can visit this trainer booth or use this a sidebar. Click trainer. So this is play with friends to unlock trainer and reset abilities, but our main trainer in here. So there are some trainer that you need to purchase, and you can use this 100 of your money to get a mic. This is novice trainer. The ability can increase your muscle growth by 20%. And also there is Lina. How to get, you can log in 2 days. And the third is Jenny. You can rank up 2 times. Competition bonus 20%, and so on. And also you can buy rock. You need to purchase a Robux. And also here a nail, day 7 login reward, speed reward, planet samurai, and so on. So feel free to try, choose your trainer to increase, to rank up faster of your avatar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.